At Rare Parts, Lean is a culture of growth, learning, and respect for each other. It's a way of thinking that is focused on constantly improving our processes so that we can better serve our customers. This is our Lean Learning Center, where all Rare Parts employees meet every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 o'clock. In this video, I'll give you a glimpse into our Lean practice, starting with the morning meeting. We meet 3 days a week to communicate and learn about Lean. First, we do some basic communication, reviewing the company calendar and making everyone aware of any employees who are off that week so that each department can plan accordingly. At the beginning of each meeting, we also give everyone an opportunity to bring up any little issues, like missing tools. And then we discuss some key metrics such as sales and production numbers. Next, we cover housekeeping. We maintain our own facilities, so we each rotate through the important chores of the business. This includes cleaning the bathroom, the lunchroom, and emptying the garbages. After that's out of the way, the rest of the meeting is about learning. We spend a lot of time educating our employees about our own products and about Lean. While we have been on our Lean journey for 4 years, we recognize that some of our employees have not, so we take the time to review the basics of Lean regularly. This includes the 5 S's of Lean. The first S is sort. This means to select a small area, maybe one desk drawer, and empty its contents. Then you sort out anything that you don't need to perform your job. After sort is set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. The 8 wastes of Lean. The first is overproduction. This is simply making too much of something that is not needed at that time. This waste of overproduction often leads to the other 7 wastes. Rare Parts principles and values. Thinking of the next person is one way we show respect for people. This is about setting up your own team for success, working together, holding each other accountable, jumping in when you see someone struggling, and being helpful. The improvement cycle. We encourage small daily improvements by all of our employees. Small improvements compound over time, leading to big improvements and lasting change. These improvements help us eliminate the struggle in our daily lives and ultimately help us serve our customers better. In addition to the morning meetings, our Lean Learning Center is also used for other training events. We design training opportunities to teach Lean concepts in a hands-on way so that they can be applied on the floor and throughout the business. We're constantly learning about Lean from other companies. We've been able to make some meaningful changes at Rare Parts with the help of all employees. If you are interested in learning and growing with us, be sure to apply.